All right, first pass felt pretty good. Didn't stand in it because I was worried about traction, but it held everything. Have no idea what I ran. Never got a time slip. Couldn't find a time slip. So now I have the draggy on for the second pass. It's about 170. As I go to start it, I have my electric fans disconnected. I have race gas. Timing set at about 37. About half a tank of fuel. $170. Nice launch. 183, 60 foot.
Quarter mile.
Holy hell, 1189. That's what I'm talking about. That's what it says on the draggy. I'll see if I can find a time slip. That's the first 11-second pass. It stuck really, really well out of the bottom, and it came out clean. That was a nice feeling pass.